In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem codes in Survivor.io. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Survivor.io on your device and sign in to your Survivor.io account. Now go ahead and click on the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on Settings. Now under Settings, go ahead and click on the Copy ID beside your player ID to be able to copy your player ID. Now after this, go ahead and head over to your browser. Now any browser can be used for this. On your browser, go ahead and search for gift.survivor.io.com. In this area, go ahead and enter your game ID in this field. Now after this, go ahead and enter the rewards code under the rewards code field, and you'll need to enter the number under the verification area to be able to confirm that you're not a robot. After you fill out all of this field, just hit on the redeem button to be able to redeem the reward under this reward code to your game ID. And that's how you can simply redeem codes in Survivor.io. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.